harshvardhanart.com. Unleash the creative in you.
Today we're gonna learn the difference between open, place and place embedded option in Photoshop. These are three different options to open an image or file in Photoshop, and I'm going to show you the difference between all threes, and plus I'm going to show you one more options through which you can open an image or file in Photoshop. So let's get started. If you are in Photoshop and want to open an image or file which is supported by the Photoshop like PSD or PNG or sometimes PDF, you need to just go to the file and select open and browse the file which you want to open, and just double click it or select that file and choose open, and that file would be opened in the Photoshop. But if you repeat the same process, let me show you, and select the image and open it, as you can see that this image has been opened in a separate document, not in the previous document where we have opened our first file. So if you want to open the second image in the same document as a separate layer, what you can do, you just need to go to the file and select place embedded and browse this file, okay, and press the enter. So here you can see the second image is also opened in the same document and as a separate layer, unlike the previous step where we have applied file and open, and that has opened in a different document. Okay, and there is another option through which you can open another image or file in the same document, is by just going to the file and select place linked, and you can browse the second file and press enter, and it would be opened over here. Now you can see the difference between all three. First one was the first which we have opened, and you can see it has been named as background and the same has been locked. Whereas when we opened the second, which was using the place embedded command, it is a smart object, and this third one we have a link icon over here. This is the third image which we have opened as a place linked. So that means this file is not embedded in this document. This is still linked to its original position, and suppose if we remove that image from that link, let me show you, let me place it somewhere else. You can see we get this error message over here. You can see this red circle with the question mark. That means this image is no longer found on its linked location. That means that link has been removed to somewhere else. And suppose if I take this image back to that place, where is it? Let me find it out. Okay, and let me place it here again. You can see this error message has gone now. Okay, so these are the three different ways to open an image in the Photoshop. And now let me show you the third one. Third one is just open or browse the image which you want to open in the Photoshop. Just select that, and by click and holding your mouse, drag it over here and press enter, and that way it would be open in the same documents. but using this command you cannot open this image in a separate document. It would be opened in the same document or document which is already opened. Okay, so that's it for today's episode. If you have any question or any comments which you would like to share with me, you can share that in the comment section below. And please don't forget to hit the like button. And if you like today's episode, please do subscribe to my channel for more videos.